So to start for our bed making, first is we need to prepare our materials. So the materials needed are the bottom sheet, which is for the bottom of the bed. The top sheet is for the top. Then this is the pillowcase and the pillow. So we must prepare it accordingly on when we will use it. So we must place this on the bedside chair. So first, grab the bottom sheet and place it on the bottom of the bed. Then slowly unfold the bottom sheet until it reaches on the head part of the bed. And for the excess part, fold it once in here, then fold it twice. Now next is to separate in this layer of the folded sheet. So let's drop it on the side of the bed. Doing like this. Now for the next layer, we need to roll it inwards. Until it reaches in the middle part where it goes back to where it came from. Now once it is ready, for the excess part, we need to tuck it below the bed. So we're gonna use this below the bed. And now, the excess part is now below on the bed. Now for the miter, we're gonna hold the miter and like this. So first, drop the edge part of the folded sheet, then drop the lower part. So like this. Then the one you hold must be placed on the top of the bottom sheet. Now in this part, in the excess part, we must tuck it inside below our bed. Now in this side, we're gonna drop it in the side of the bed and tuck it also inside. That is how we do for the bottom sheet. Now for the top sheet, grab the top sheet and place it on the head part of the bed. Now repeat what we did on the bottom sheet. So we unfold until it reaches on the bottom part of the bed. Now we fold it once for the excess part, then twice. Then for the first layer, we need to drop it inside of the bed. Then for the second layer is we're gonna roll it inward like we did on the bottom sheet. So, to stay neat and clean, put the rolled top sheet inside the bottom sheet. So we're gonna put this inside. This. Now for the excess part, we're gonna grab the bottom part of the bed, then tuck it inside the lower part, below the bed. So like this. So for the miter, let's grab it. And for the edge, we're gonna drop, and the lower part is drop. So in this part, we're gonna put it in the top of the sheet. Then for the exit part, which is in this part, will be tucked inside below the bed. Now release the side of the sheet and let it rest in the side of the bed. Now let's go for the next part. So in this side of the bed, please we unroll what we rolled before. Like this. Then for the excess part, you tuck it inside. Now it looks like this. For the miter, we're gonna do the same thing. Tuck it below the bed and tuck it below the bed. So that is how we do for our bottom sheet. Now for our top sheet, just do the same thing. We're gonna unroll it. So it looks like this. So to look like it's clean, so we're gonna use the thing we did before. We hold for the miter, then we drop for the lower part of the top sheet and put it here. Then for the excess part, we tuck it inside. Then we release it and let it rest for the bed, for the side of the bed. Now for an open bed making, is we fold it 18 inches like this, so that the patient is not difficult to go inside in the sheet. So fold it once, then fold it twice like this. Now for our pillowcase, arrange the pillowcase in the bed and look for the opening for the pillowcase. So this is the opening for the pillowcase and this is the bottom part. So in order to have our pillowcase be inside, so the pillow must be inside the pillowcase. First is we grab it here for the opening part of the pillowcase. Then slowly go on the top Then your hand must be inside in the pillowcase. So reminders. So the pillow must not be touched in the bed, because there are bacteria in the pillow that might contaminated by the bed. So we're just gonna put it inside, and that is how we use for the pillowcase. Now for the excess part, we're gonna fold it inside. So it will look neat and clean. Then place it on the head part of the bed. And now we are doing for the closing for the bed. Now, we're just gonna pull the top of this layer, the folded top sheet. And that is how we do for the close. So that's all for our bed making. Thank you for watching, and God bless.